Okay, you guys, Dr. Warren here, and we are in EDU601. And I want to remind you that for this class, you are finishing your entire online course. You're finishing it. You have like how many weeks? Think about how many weeks you have to finish all the lessons, all the assignments, all the tweaks, all the refinement, et cetera, grammar, everything, okay? So let's buckle down. Remember that, let's see here. Remember your phases of cognitive presence outline that you developed? Those are all the lessons and assignments that you decided that you're going to build. So mostly you will have more exploration and integration activities. Actually, that is somebody's that I wanted to show you. Let's go here first. No, they're both the same. Hang on. Okay, yes. So mostly you're going to be doing the lesson and the exploration activity and the integration activities. That's what you're going to be spending most of your time on as you finish out your course. And you're going to continually look at that summative assessment, grounding all your assignments and lessons to that summative assessment, okay? So think about that final project, and everything you do is going to get your learners to that final project, okay? Don't do anything else. Don't throw anything else in there. Stick to that final project, whatever it is that you've conceptualized, okay? Now, to get there, remember that you've got, and I'm going to show you somebody else's, this is somebody else's phases of cognitive presence. So she's got the exploration lesson and then a couple of activities. You may have one big lesson and a couple activities, or you may have two lessons and one activity. However you do it, that's the meat of your class, the lesson and activity. Now, when you think about your lesson and activity, what I want you to do is use that assignment outline template. Remember that guy? Using that to create your assignment. And so you're going to, just like you did for your formative assessment and your summative assessment in EDU 602, you're going to do the same thing. Create the overview of every single assignment in your class. What are the steps to completion of every single assignment of your class? What's your criteria? What are you looking for in this assignment? You know, we have a student who is creating a class on how to cook large meals for a holiday, and one of her assignments is creating a budget. The students are going to create a budget to think about everything it takes to buy all that food and everything else, decorations and so forth. So what goes into that budget? What do you want to see in that budget? Okay, what do you want to see when your students submit one of those assignments that you've got up here in your head? What do you want to see that they're going to give to you? Break it out. All the little pieces, not all the little pieces, probably going to have 3 to 4 to 5 main things that you want to see in that work, okay, in that assignment, okay? Then you want to say, how are they going to turn it in? Usually it's something like submit your work in the assignment upload tool below. It will be in a spreadsheet format. It'll be in a Word format, whatever, okay? If it's a video, you want the links. And then how are they going to be graded? Basically, essentially, how they're going to be graded ties right back to that assignment criteria, okay? How are you going to be graded? You're going to be graded on how well you complete everything I said above, right? And you can repeat it, or you can just say, look at the assignment criteria for how you're going to be graded, okay? I'm okay with that too. Now, for the lesson, please look at this video that I created called Creating Lessons by Curating Resources, okay? I use an example of a student, of a student who had a teaching math to kids class. Notice that she has a little introduction to the lesson. Then take a look at this resource, and then she says, now take a look at this resource, here's what it is. And then she has kind of more introductions, kind of subtopics. Maybe they're going in a little bit different direction. Look at what she does with those resources, okay? She doesn't just throw a bunch of links on there and expect the student to know what to do with them. She leads them through those resources from start to finish, building their knowledge and understanding of the lesson, the topic, that prepares them for that assignment, okay? For that assignment that you created here with this worksheet. All right, so you've created your phases of cognitive presence, right? Got that done. You know what you're going to do. Now you got to get out there and do it, okay? Assignment using the worksheet, using the assignment template worksheet, and lesson using creating lessons here, this video tutorial. All right, let's see you start working on that stuff. And you only have a few more weeks to get it all done. I'm right there with you. You know how to get a hold of me if you need me. Okay, thanks everybody. Let's see here. Okay. Trying to figure out how to stop recording. Okay, bye.